Is your dog sleeping on a thin mat that flattens out after a few weeks? Or a crate pad that never quite fits right? A good bed can mean the difference between a dog that tosses and turns and one that actually sleeps through the night. Today we're looking at 5 dog beds that cover everything from simple crate pads to full orthopedic setups for senior dogs, so you can figure out which one fits your pet and your home. Let's get into the list. Number 5. Exsnugy Washable Dog Bed Mat. Softness is the main selling point here, thanks to a 300 GSM plush surface that's gentle on the skin and resists shedding. The stuffing is full and even, which gives dogs a warm, enclosed feel that can help them settle down and rest easier. Thickness is where this mat gets clever. It's built for year-round use, thick enough to offer some cushioning without turning into a heat trap during warmer months. The design stays firm rather than collapsing under weight, which takes pressure off stiff joints and makes it easier for older dogs to lie down, stand back up, and move around comfortably. It's cut to fit standard crates and kennels, but it isn't limited to them. The flat rectangular shape works just as well on a sofa, a bed, or the floor. And since it folds down small and weighs next to nothing, it travels well for camping trips or car rides. At 48 by 30 inches, this 2XL size suits dogs up to 110 pounds who want something a bit softer than a rigid pad. Everything wipes clean in the wash and holds its shape afterward, so it stays looking and feeling like new through repeated cycles. If your dog just needs a comfortable, no-fuss mat that goes wherever you go, this one checks that box. Number 4. Comfort Expression Waterproof Orthopedic Dog Bed. Certification is where this bed earns some trust. The foam inside is Charity Per US certified, and the fabric on top is OCO TEX Standard 100 certified. So you're getting a bed built with tested materials rather than vague marketing claims. The egg crate foam shapes itself around your dog's body, spreading out weight and easing pressure on sore muscles. That makes it a strong fit for senior dogs dealing with anxiety or arthritis who need real support underneath them, not just a soft top layer. A waterproof inner liner keeps accidents from soaking into the foam, and the outer cover unzips completely for a trip through the washing machine on a gentle cycle. The 3-sided bolster wraps around your dog's head and neck, creating a nest-like space that many dogs find calming, while a non-slip bottom keeps the whole thing from sliding across hardwood or tile. It comes in a range of colors and sizes, from mini all the way up to XXL. That top size measures 53 by 42 inches, with a 3.5-inch base and 5-inch bolsters, built for dogs up to 42 inches long and 150 pounds. Think Newfoundlands, St. Bernards, and Great Danes. One thing worth knowing, it ships vacuum-packed, so give it about 48 hours after unboxing to fully expand into shape. For anyone with a large or aging dog who needs genuine joint relief backed by certified materials, this is a serious contender. Number 3. VERZEY Orthopedic XXL Dog Bed. This one leans on a 2-layer foam setup, combining memory foam with egg crate foam to spread weight evenly and take the edge off sore joints, particularly for older dogs. The sleeping surface is wrapped in soft fleece, giving dogs a cozy spot to curl up, while 3-sided bolsters cradle the head and neck for a more restful position. Waterproofing here is targeted rather than total. A waterproof film sits between the fleece top and the base fabric, so the sleeping surface itself resists moisture, though the faux linen sides are not waterproof. It's offered in sizes ranging from medium up through extra large, so it can scale with different breeds rather than being a one-size solution. Cleaning involves unzipping the cover and running it through the wash, but the foam insert itself isn't machine washable, so that part gets spot cleaned instead. Like most memory foam beds, plan on 24 to 48 hours after unpacking for it to fully expand. If your priority is a plush fleece surface layered over genuine joint support, this bed delivers that combination well. Number 2. BFPETHOME Orthopedic Washable XLarge Dog Bed. The rose pattern plush on top is what stands out first. It's soft against a dog's nose and paws, and has a calming quality that can help anxious pets settle in faster. Underneath, high-density egg crate foam supports muscles and takes weight off aching joints. making this a practical option for elderly or unwell dogs who need extra cushioning to get comfortable. The U-shaped bolster design wraps around 3 sides at 3.5 inches thick, creating a fence-like border that gives dogs a sense of security while also supporting the head and neck. Measuring 42 by 30 by 7 inches, it's built for medium to large dogs up to 80 pounds, though owners of dogs who like to stretch out or roll around might want to size up for extra room. 3 zippers around the cover make it simple to remove for washing, and a waterproof inner layer keeps urine and drool from reaching the foam underneath, so it stays fresh with regular use. Between the plush comfort and the practical cleaning setup, this bed lands near the top of the list for dogs that need both softness and support. Number 1. VERZEY Dog Crate Pad. Simplicity takes the top spot. This pad is built specifically for wire dog crates, measuring 48 by 30 inches and sized for dogs in the 90 to 110 pound range. Breeds like Alaskan Malamutes and Anatolian Shepherds. The surface uses a faux fur material that feels soft against the skin, giving dogs a comfortable place to rest that can also help take the edge off anxiety and go easy on their joints. Cleaning couldn't be more straightforward. Toss it in the washer on a moderate setting, tumble dry on low, or let it air dry in the sun, and it holds its shape wash after wash. An anti-slip bottom keeps it from sliding when dogs step on or off. Beyond the crate, this pad doubles as a kennel bed, a cage liner, or even a dog pillow, and it works just as well indoors as it does outdoors across any season. The seller also backs it up with direct support if anything goes wrong, and a quick shake or pat after unboxing helps the fluff bounce back to its full loft. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.